Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this Revolution makeup makeup Revolution London Vivid Big Highlighter that I got from TJ Maxx. They are $2.99. Okay, I picked it up and this is how the highlighter looks. Alright, so you guys know TJ Maxx and Marshalls had a lot of makeup section that you can find literally anything from there. So today I just wanted to try. Let me just swatch this for you guys to see. So this is how the highlighter is looking. So I'm just gonna dab my brush. You can find a brush of your choice to try to blend the highlight as much as possible so it won't just sit on your face like that. Okay, so and you can blend it all the way up to your eyebrows and make sure you got a perfect blend, just like that. So now we're just gonna do the nose. So that's basically what I do, and then you can just take whatever is left over from this and just dab. But if you prefer putting highlight on your forehead, you can also go ahead and do so, but I don't like it on my forehead, so, and I don't like it too much. I just want enough, but not too much. So if you haven't seen this lipsticks swatches that I did, they should be coming up. What's on my lips, because I just did a tutorial not too long, but okay guys, so that's basically it. But like I say, if you want it to stand out more, you can, because this is very pigmented, guys. Very, you know, let me take my finger. So yeah, I don't like it too much, and when it doesn't blend, it doesn't look good, you know what I mean? So if you want more, like so, go ahead, but make sure you blend it. You know, because you don't want people to be staring at your face knowing that something is not blended all the way down or all the way, just sitting on your face like that. So what do you guys think? For $2.99, if you want to put your blush, you can, or whatsoever, you also can do that right underneath your highlight. You can put your blush and things like that. So okay guys, so what do you guys think? Think are they good? So you guys, they do have this at Sephora, and what's the other store in Springfield? I will put the name on there on Springfield. I can't remember the name again. Yeah, so they do have it, but this is cheaper at TJ Maxx for $2.99. So you might find it $4.99 at what's the name store and stuff like that. So, but you know, just to give your face that glowy look and things like that. So yeah, yes guys, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next one. So this is the big highlighter in golden light, y'all. I will put everything up there or in the description box. Okay guys, bye.